is made up a group of dedicated teachers and students. They emerged on this year-long project under the guidance and supervision of Victor Montañez. It was all of their hard work after school, on the weekends, during the summer to finish up this project.
This project means a lot to HSA McKinley Park. Our students have spent countless amount of hours working with Victor and his crew to make this mural come to life.
Now is the time to present the mural.
I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for trusting your students to come up with this wonderful masterpiece. Thank you.